Okay, and this one's called Effects of Light Exposure, and it says a study carried out by a certain researcher, Baturin, and some colleagues looked at the effects of light on female mice, and it says 50 mice were randomly assigned to a regimen of 12 hours of light and 12 hours of dark, while another 50 mice were assigned to 24 hours of light. Okay, light, dark, and then light, light. Researchers observed the mice for 2 years, beginning when the mice were 2 months old. 4 of the mice developed tumors, while 4 of the mice in 14, so this is the number of mice that developed tumors. And it says determine the percentage of mice that developed tumors from each group, compare them, and comment. Okay, so here for the LD group, okay, we had a total of 50 mice. 50 mice in the LD group and 50 mice in the LL group. 4 out of 50, which equals 8%, developed tumors. And then LL group, 14 out of 50, which is 28%, developed tumors. Okay, it seems LL, so constant light exposure, is related to higher tumors, higher rate of tumors. Okay, the next part says, was this a controlled experiment or observational study? This is a controlled experiment. Okay, and the key here is that the description says that the mice were randomly assigned. Okay, randomly assigned. Randomly assigned to either LD or LL. Okay, so the mice didn't get to choose whether they wanted to be exposed to light all the time or light and darkness. That was decided for them by the researcher. Okay, it says, can we conclude that 24 hours a day causes an increase in tumors in mice? In this case, yes. Okay, the randomization kind of evens out, helps even out any confounding factors. So the only reason that would cause the difference in tumor rates would cause the difference in tumor rates is the treatments themselves. Is the treatment. Okay, so because we randomly assigned the mice to LD or LL, that evens out all of the confounding factors. So then we can only say that the only reason why the LD group would have less tumor rate than the LL group is that the LD group was exposed to light less often than the LL group.